Hi, welcome to Paper Tales by Kunali, and today I'm going to be showing you all how I use my domes which I taught in my earlier video to create lovely magnets and mandalas. So let's begin. For that you'll require magnets or a magnet, some glue and your ready-made domes which I've shown in the earlier video. So let's begin. So for creating a mandala, first you need to create a design. So you place it according to your likes or dislikes, what colors you want to use, what pattern you want to use, and then we'll stick it all together. So for beginners, let's start by deciding whether we want to keep all these embellishments on top or put them like this, flatten them out. So for now I'm thinking we'll just keep them like this. So let's start with 4 of these red domes. So we are creating a mandala pattern. We'll not make it too big. So that's it. This is a simple mandala design, and now we're going to stick it all together. And there we have it. Even without the embellishments, even if it's on the other side, it still looks nice and vibrant. Lovely colors. Now we'll wait for it to dry because I'm seriously scared of flipping it, because I'm sure it's gonna fall apart otherwise. So have some patience. So put it aside, and now we're gonna work on some magnets. So for that I'm taking orange, blue, yellow and pink. Let's see how we can work these with each other. So we'll take the bigger ones first. One here and here, and this is cute enough. I don't think we need to add this. I don't even know where to add this. I'm not sure it's going to stick so well or going to take that weight. So we'll cut it short at this. Tiny magnet, cute. You can also use this as a card dangler just tie a rope once it's all stuck together and use it at the rear view mirror of your car if your country allows that. But this is really cute. So let's once again stick all of these together. So once again, turn them on the side so it becomes easier for us to stick, and let's start sticking. And we'll allow this to dry, and let's see if we can flip this over. Yes, perfect, gorgeous. Just look at this. So finally, I just want to show you a few of the creations which I've done with the tones. So this is your regular mandala creation. Now what I've done over here is I've given edges to all of them, black in color, and we can use it both ways. I just tied a string to it, and you can use it as a wall decor, or alternatively you could use it, you could paste it on a canvas and stick it to your wall. So that's one way of using this. Now another one I've done is for Christmas, since Christmas is coming, a nice cute poinsettia. So with lots of mirrors. Once again, it can be used both ways. So you dangle it from your Christmas tree and it's going to look really cute, and with all the light shining around it, nice and shiny. This is a regular flower which I've done with a blue center. I've added some embellishments of pearls and once again the mirrors, and you put a magnet behind it and it can be used as a fridge magnet. You can put it on a card and draw a thin line for the stem and a few leaves, and it's going to look just as beautiful. This one you saw me making. I've added a few mirrors on top to give it an extra oomph, and it looks really gorgeous. So you can try different colors and color styles over here with this, whichever color wheel you are comfortable with. This was the magnet which I made earlier, and it's kind of cute too. And since Christmas is coming, I decided I'll make 2 snowflakes. So I've used the blue and white scheme. I had quite a few blues at home, so I worked with those. So light blue, dark blue, turquoise blue, white. So the basic color scheme for snowflakes, and this is what I made, and they look really, really gorgeous. So you can add embellishments behind as well as in front. If you find the mirrors a bit too much, you could just add pearls. Same thing over here. Different settings for both of them, different styles, and that's it. You just add a string to keep it on your Christmas tree, or you could, during the off season, you can just remove the string, add a magnet behind it, and use it as a fridge magnet. It's great for gifting. It's great for a lot many purposes, and I hope you like this idea, and you definitely give it a shot. Do share with me how you like this, and thank you very much for watching, and bye bye.